Uyikhekha kahle kahle kusho ukuthi yenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
Iyawenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu because lapha uyaya uyitshela ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba yi-actor kanti kahle wena kumele ube u-direct kumele usebenze behind the scene.
Okay, so they train you that well.
Yes, ukuthi uphuma usuyi-understand ukuthi mina ngibelonga la because abanye bayangena beyitshela ukuthi bama-artist bephuma sebe-realizile ukuthi no, this is not for me. Ahamba umuntu ayophesiweni yabo. So ifuthi ngaleyo ndlela because nami ngangena ngiyitshela ukuthi ngifuna uku-actor yabo. Mase sekwenziwa ama-evaluation bamhlonga ngitshela ukuthi yazini i-strength sakho music, why must stick with music? That's why safuma khona le group ekuthiwa i-email box.
Siza lokho kubalekile ukuthi mawumuntu ukwazi ukumukela mawusuke umuntu ezama ukushape noma mayigxeka ngokwakha ikona okubalekile. So kwangisiza kakhulu lokho ngaphinde ngathola i-call from uMdebs in 2019 sawina i-competition yaseMshido nayi email box.
La naqolwa khona
ukuthi
What's up, guys? Welcome to On Point with Sandy, proudly brought to you by Now Popular Studios. This is episode 30, guys. I'm really excited to finally launch episode 2. So many exciting things. I'll be having a co-host. You guys can start guessing. Okay, while we're on it, I have my guest amabili. Baqhamuka eNanda, guys. Sanibonani, guys. Welcome to On Point with Sandy.
No, siyabonga kakhulu and thanks for having us.
Nirazi khamba kahle.
Kuhamba kahle mfethu umsebenzi nje uyazi nawe siyaphusha kodwa ke ukuthi size sigcine sikwazile ukufika la ekhaya kakhulu.
And by the way, this is your first podcast interview, right? And ngithandayo with most of the people that I've had ku season 1 abantu abaqalayo kuza ku podcast. This is your first podcast interview. What are you guys looking forward to?
No, we have fun.
And then feedback yabantu sizothini.
Exactly.
Okay, guys. Ophud laba ngihleli nabo kade ngishilo ke uthene baqhamuka eNanda kahle njengoba silana siphuma kwithona behambisa iprayer kuma matriculants benze izeningi nje for the community. Mina ke luckily most of the people that I choose to invite and actually converse with abantu thola sengibaze ngabalandela isikhathi eside kuma careers abo. Umduna specifically uyena the group le ababaziwa ngayo before uyena ngamazi bese ayibona before they used to call themselves the email box babe bawufona and then manje sebesebenza bawuthuna bayi dual M dual M benza i-Afropop music bayahlabelela, guys, and they'll be giving out amalondozana ama social media platforms abo ukuthi uthola kanjani ba release ingoma nozakwe ba release ingoma namaqwabe twins but they have Somlish, the guy that I've actually interviewed, the content creator Lana, is part of the team yabo abahamba nabo. They're moving with the big guns, right? Okay, mntu asiqale ngawe mfethu. Ungitshela nje ukukhula kwakho isikole wafunda kusona wawuzazi because I know, well, I figured since nje ngithola ukwazi ngizwana nawe ukuthi yena odlala nanebhola yini eyagcina ikwazi igcinisa ka music ukukhula kwakho nje ongichazela ngakho.
Okay, njengoba usushilo umduduzi wakwaDube yisenanda nami music ngiqale ngimncane kakhulu ngangisayingane ngaleso sikhathi bengingazi ukuthi ngiyacula kodwa bengazi ngiyayithanda le yana so sikhule silingisa oRebecca oLundi Sifiso Ncwane nangala kwa-Afropop Ringo Ontando bonke labo bantu labo sikhule sibalalela ngikhule ngibalalela nasekhaya music kade ulalelwa kakhulu lo so e-primary ila ngiqale khona ukuthi okay manje ngiyacula.
Wafunda ngephi primary?
Ngangifunda ngiqale eDalmini.
Okay.
Yes, kaJi Ntuzuma.
Shout out to Dalmini.
Ngenxa ngizosho nje kwakunenkinga yokuthi makunile kunomfulo akumele ngiwucross. So ngenqala yaleyo nto yabona ubaba uthi angizolahlekelwa ingane la. Ngiyayishintsha lesi sikole then ngamuvela esikhululiwe ngiSouth B. Esikhululiwe ke la ngicabanga ukuthi ngaqala khona nje nga expressa kakhulu nami ngafocusa ku music ngacula nomunye umfowethu ngiyathanda ukuthi kube khona abantu engihlezi ngicula nabakuthanda ukucula ngedwa ngacula nomunye umjito kwakuthiwa umncedisi ngaleso sikhathi senza naye gospel 2005 saqala sahlangana noSifiso Ncwane kwawukuthi naye uyalithanda ithalente uyafisa ukuthi kube khona into azosisiza ngayo so nje kuma shows wakhe isikhathi esiningi sahlezi sikhona sila ifana ukusigruma kunomama nakhona lapho kuyena wayesihlanganise naye uSifiso Ncwane kwakuthiwa lo mama uSimanga sengemkhohle isibongo kodwa nje wadlala iqhaza elikhulu ukuthi umuntu ayibone ukuthi okay ngiyacula then kwaba khona uChillis uRaf uyashutha manje lapha kuZalo naye omunye umuntu futhi oyenza show ukuthi siyahlala kulento because mase kukhona abantu abakholelwayo kuwena obvious now uyabona ukuthi ngisendaweni eright so uChillis omunye umuntu futhi oyenza show ukuthi maye khona uyangithatha ngifaka e-studio noma esemovie le-studio sakhe ngizozwa ngayo sengisekho lapha sengisemorning side angithatha ngise khona
njengoba ngase ngibona kuZalo uyena wadlala indima nalapho
yena ebambisene nomunye umfowethu futhi ekuthiwa Gabriel Youngster ekuye esikhiphe naye ingoma njengamanje so kwaba nje ilento kanjalo ukuthi okay umuntu uyacula ngamuva ngaya enhlanhla yethu e-high school engafunda kuyona enhlanhla yethu naye lapha eNisan B so nakhona bengicula futhi siqhubeka naye umncedisi bengiqale naye lapha esikhulu sivuva naye enhlanhla yethu saqhubeka sacula then mangiqeda ku matric wami ngeke ngisawusho nyaka mangiqeda ku matric wami kuma options enganginawo kwakumele ngabe ngile ngayofunda yabo but ila engibone khona ukuthi lento ngiyayithanda lento ikumina yabo because ila ngaqala khona ngafocus ekuthina kumele ngenze music khona mfowethu simbiza ngosiqhe sasifunda naye sasicula naye esikoleni kodwa ngenza yonke into emculo isithatha miya umshado yonke into emculo so lo ngimshoyo sasihlangane naye emculweni wamahubo esikoleni nomshado angifonela athi ukuphi ngithi ngisekhaya angingakabi nesho ukuthi ngifuna ukuculana sinabafethu la siyahlanganisa senze acapella fethu ngibatshelile ngabe ngiyafisa ukuthi sihambe siwenza something kwakusaculwa lapha eworkshop ama group la aqala ukucula lapha ithini abaqala sasilapha because sasibukela kubona uSifiso Ncwane kwayena uSifiso Ncwane
inina noba naye uloluza
ngicela leso sikhathi bengingamazi
imali ngicela ukuthi usime lapha you and music and you growing up cela usi-challenge nawe ngumdundo wendlela ngayo nawe usitshele sobe sibuyele nakumdundo
mina I think because ngikhulele emakhaya eNquthu nje obviously eNquthu indawo emakhaya indawo enganakekile
uyajabula nje lapha amalanga ngafana makhulu nganquthu uyakethu lapho
angena into inkosi yabo so ngamuvela lana ke eThekwini nakhona futhi ngangaka realize ukuthi ngine-talent nama used to think ukuthi ngizoba umdlali webhola because ngikhule ngidlala ibhola until ngize nge-K-Cap ngo-27
shout out to K-Cap guys you actually ungazi ukuthi umuntu wesingaki abaphuma under isandla sababu Edmund Mhlonge and K-Cap interview wayo la so K-Cap kahle kahle kusho ukuthi yenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu
wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu lapha uyaya uyitshela ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba i-act kanti kahle wena kumele ube udirect kumele usebenze
behind so they train you that well
ukuthi uphuma usuyi-understand ukuthi mina ngibelonga la because abanye bayangena beyitshela ukuthi bama-artist bephuma seberealizile ukuthi no this is not for me ahambe umuntu ayophesiwe enye yabo so iphuthe ngaleyo ndlela because nami ngangena ngiyitshela ukuthi ngifuna uku-acta yabo mase sekwenziwa ama-evaluation kwamhlonga ngitshela ukuthi yazini i-strength sakho music why must stick with music that's where safuma khona le group ekuthiwa i-emailbox
that's when I first met you guys
wayengakabi khona kwakusakhona omunye umjito ekuthiwa uSifundo sahamba uSifundo-ke wastika-ke yena ekutheni-ke ufuna ukwenza i-acting yabo so kwaphoqa ukuthi sasithole lapha i-contract yase-Shaka Marine sesiba u-3 lapho kumele kusele isonto ukuthi siye khona sijwayele ukuba bo-4 kwi-sound yethu uMdebs umfethu sasicula naye wasakhona omunye umfethu engimaziyo mina umduna ke lapho umdu wa introduce kakhona fika umdu sekusele isonto mhlambe ingoma esayireheza lapha mhlambe zazu7 wayibamba zonke la ngambona khona uze kanti iGhost lo muntu yabo and mayifika lapha ufika sasingenayo ibase wafika wa-eda leyo flavor yebase I understand nento yebase ibase yabo hey senze response yabantu yabo manje siperform yabo elumhlanganiso njalo ngale base yakhe sabona ukuthi hayi no so mina kahle kahle ngiqala ukurealize ngo2017 no
njengoba uNtswephu kanjena nje God shout out to Baba Edmund Mhlongo for unleashing the talent ukuthi abone ukuthi nayibo bafethu nawe la kahle ngoba ufuna ukuthi kahle uyolingisa wena nakho la ubizelwe khona okay asiqhubeke umuntu ufuna ukuqhubeka la ucele khona yazi ukuthi lento le oyishoyo ifana nokuthi because umuntu khona okuningi akwaziyo within the music and within the entertainment industry but sometimes ngicabanga ukuthi ish mhlambe kodwa uzogcina wenza into ethize kanje umuntu akazi kahle kahle ukuthi ingenze ukuthi into ignorayo wena all right mntu
so nje bese chazile umxo ngicabanga ukuthi emva ukuthi usigqe asondele kumina athi kwenzeka into ethi athi abesimila naleyo mcwade ethi nakhona wayengibize kune performance ngalo ngaso leso sikhathi so sahamba siye workshop ngiyocula ingoma engingazazi ke khona ngiyocula ingoma engingazazi
kuyasiza yabo into engicabangayo ukuthi yena efanele uhlezi ube umuntu omengenzwayo for every opportunity because ave kuphathisana kabuhlungu uthola ukuthi yena umuntu lokho ebangela isicefe mhlawumbe ekutshela ukuthi oh I want this and then when the opportunity comes umuntu uyaqala uhodula inyawo
njalo nje vele nami ngasho ngathi angikho ready ngoba wangifonela ebusuku ethi kusasa kuseni siyadlula sekuthatha angazi lutho and khona ingoma ezayicula more than 20 because bacula emgwaqeni ngithi yabo kufanele ngibamba ama movements khona ngaleso sikhathi ngibamba ingoma and into yayenzeka lapha kwakunokuthi nicule mase kuthiwa isikhathi sokuthi ungakhetha nombani kule group yethu wonke umuntu uyakwazi ukucula phika nombani acule abantu bayabona ukuthi lo usafunda lo bavele bazokhetha mina ngenhlanhla ngihlezi ngiready ecula so ngaleyo ndlela leyo sahlangana nabafethu isithembiso saphusha kakhulu
isithembiso ila okay because abanye usithembisa ngithi uwele laba sebecula nabanqobi babe khona nabo usithembisa
sahlukana kanjalo abanye bagcine sebe focus kwezinye izinto because kwakuyi gospel yakhaphela then ngithe sengiyitshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuma kancane kulomculo yakhaphela ngifuna ukuyifunda ngenza ingoma ngiyingedwa ngicathi uyakhumbula ethi ungamdedeli kwakuyi afro pop yokuqala engayenza le kwakusazwakala ukuthi ngishifta from gospel uchikisi lade etshela ngayo omunye umuntu wangitshela lokuthi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyakhula but samele ulungise u1 no2 no3 ukuthi kwangisiza lokho kubalekile ukuthi umuntu ukwazi ukumukela mawusuke umuntu ezama ukushape noma mayigxeka ngokwakha ikona okubalekile so kwangisiza kakhulu lokho ngaphinde ngathola icall from uMdebs engihlanganisa neemail box kwangikhulisa kakhulu ke lokho uqaba amagesi ilento yegospel nje yavele yaphuma
isound nje email box was just very authentic nendlela nanigqoka ngayo so now it makes sense mase ukhuluma indaba ukuthi yena Shaka Marine because ngazi ukuthi Shaka Marine ma performances akhona indlela ngiyosengabandlela nigqoka ukuthi okay isuka lapha yale yanto
so 2018 or 2019 sawina competition yaseMshido na email box
la inaqolwa khona
ukuthi asiyile kanjani a music conference enkulu kakhulu
it's the biggest it's really big
so ngicabanga ukuthi into yalimaza relationship yethu nabo kakhulukazi ile nto yeCovid uqala weCovid cause kubona konke okwenzeka izithembiso noma ngabe kuthiwa ifezekanga ezinye zazo kunjalo vele ema competition akubona ukuthi ibona kuphela kodwa sasinethuba lokuthi siyo performa ko Singapore sasinethuba ko South Korea sasinama bookings sesawathola khona so ngaleyo nje siya appreciate noma ngabe kuthiwa yini
and then imake bese kwenzala ngalama booking
bunja
because of COVID
sasashaya eBotswana kuphela lakhona sasambe iviki lonke esiseBotswana saphatheka kahle.
Can you tell me about the experience? Mojito
uzokuchaza
like Mojito the whole composition
Bosenza mojito. Ayisengajwayela.
So the whole competition
the whole experience nizwa kanjani ngayo yonke leyo nto leyo senizingena ama finals you went to Joburg for it and then can you tell me about the whole experience?
I think iyafika nomdebs because unayo wayitshela omunye usisi lo sisi loyo
umdebs manje
ukhona selection.
You guys are still in connection with him?
Yes.
Okay because ngiyabona sinemimention kakhulu
uyidlalile ubona bonke abantu esisebenze nabo angicabanga ukuthi khona umuntu esingathi asizwani naye ngoba ngisho ngabe kuthiwa leyo nto ebenizama ukuyihlanganisa ayisasebenzanga kulezi izitha lokho.
It's important to move on.
Yes move on futhi lo muntu kungenzeka nakusasa uphinde uhlangane naye komunye umnyango ubuye ethi wena angisamdingi usibani ba so kubalekile ukuthi uma umuntu umuve njengendlela e-right.
True. All right, yes.
Lo sisilo yena futhi wasisiza ngemali yokugibela yabo safika lapha eGoli lolo suku nje kwakumele futhi siphindele emuva eDurban yabo lapha sifika it was over 100 people 500
ababekhona
auditioning
more than 10,000
yo
kukonje lenda eJoburg Theatre
okay sadlulela kwenye round kwaso bazosifonela saphindele eDurban safonelwa saphinde sabuya futhi kuma final.
Imake at this point you guys do not have any connection in Joburg anamakhaya anabangani
sazimuntu that's why kwaphoqa ukuthi cabanga uhamba ngebhasi
fanele park station
fanele uthi ufika khona hayi awulalanga ngalo lo suku ekseni masifika fanele siye khona lapha masiqeda futhi ntambama fanele sibuye
angivuqama yabo before kule competition kone competition esasiwinile futhi akamasipala la isewini nayo futhi lapho kwabantu babe over 500 khona le that was too much so ngiyala ukuthi yabo leya iswasense ngalendlela lokuthi ngangayiboni mina suwini yabo but even abantu sasikhompisa nabo babeza kuseni bethi hayi guys seniwinile kanjani bafethu yabo and mase kubizwa number 1 email box
yeah
la competition yavuqama ngiyona yasinikeza hope ngalendlela le
okay nafonelwa senibuyile senilana senfonela senilana and then
sekumele phela siphinde futhi sizame futhi imali yokuphinde sigibele
ansebenzi phela futhi
oyimanager sasaphanda nje so safonelwa sathola ukuthi singenile ku top 20 kulabantu ade be over 10,000 only 20 sasikuleyo 20 yena so mase sibuyela ke
fanele nibele noma u4 futhi
sibuyele soba u4 sesiya kuma final
nonganayo imali fanele nimzamela
na kanjani mawukuthi khona ongenayo imali fanele ukuthi email box ayikho so sagcina sikwazile ukuthi siphumelele khona sacompete njengoba besho umculo la esawina khona ke sebe announce ukuthi email box ewinile ila esathola khona ama gigs cause kwakunama sponsor lapha
there's international sponsors
exactly basukuma esho omunye ukuthi okay ngiyithandile performance yenu mina ngiyanibhuka kuphi omunye nomunye nomunye covid leyo yaqala ke so emva kwe covid i-email box angifuna uqamba manga ila ekwaphela khona ngayo
angifuna ukuthi yabo nje i-covid abantu like if they don't respect the amount of humbleness efake kubantu because abantu abaningi they lost like I've interviewed abanye soma business abanye they were telling me abanye sebe babhala neincwadi they speaking about the struggles and the stuff that they went through i-covid affect abantu abaningi and for you guys uthi niqhubeka nibe line khona njengamanje uthatha it makes me and well I guess the viewer as well uthi nike more respect to say okay consistent you guys really love music you are consistent about this and it's akusibona ubani okwazi ukuthi avuke from lesa sikhathi lesi yabo okay ubusaxoxa ukuthi yena i-email box yaphela kwabe ngathi yaphela right because it was a long time nabayabona nisahlangani ngisakwazi nanokuyohustlisha abantu abayenza imicimbi shuthi nje amaphupha yavalo nduzana bona the other two guys are they still doing music
noma abafocusele ngendlela esifocuse ngayo because bayasebenza bayaphanda eceleni bayawenza part time.
Okay.
I think usihle lo muntu usihle uma kwi-acting naye.
Okay.
So kwaba into kanjalo kwaqale kodwa kwahlehla umDebs emsebenzini wethu abaphumanga kanye boba kwaqale kwahlehla umDebs kwathi bafethu niyabona senginengane manje kumele ngizame ukuphanda yabo.
Kade busy lana ebhuke intombi zimthola wathola intombi wamithisa wathola ingane.
So kwaba into kanjalo ukuhlehla kwakhe umDebs kuthina kwawukuthi usihle naye semningi Eastern Cape because was
okay.
Okay kuba ukuthi masine gig uyaqhamuka masine gig uyaqhamuka because ingathi silapha kuzalo nje siqala ungena kuzalo wayekade ekhona usihle yabo kwaba khona ama challenges ke nawagcine so into eyenzeka kuzalo masiya khona besifike sipike abantu abawu2 ukuze sibambe le sound email box babe sithole sivele siba u4
okay
so kwaphoqa ukuthi mina nomxoxo kumele sibe le conversation ukuthi manje ndoda senze njani abanye abantu noma sizama ukuthola isound yethu sifocus nje
because this is a dream and you guys have actually went too far ukuthi ngabe don't give up.
Yes and njoba usho nje iqiniso lelo njoba sawena competition yamasipala nakhona yayipacked nayo hayi ukuthi engenabo abantu uDudu Zincube nje saqala ukumazi lapho naye wafika edlala isigini
thina sesimazi edumile nina
manje uhlelo laNkulunkulu ke lonje uyena obe namandla kuqala ukuvela kubantu
kodwa yena akawinanga ngaleso sikhathi
impilo injalo so that's why uhloniphe nombani mhlawumbe so ngaleyo ndlela leyo sa decide ukuthi angeke silokhunje angeke sisaba add abantu sicula soba u2 kanje because siya understandana
and then the birth of Jewel M
angithi uyabona namhlanje nje basibhoye kanje
anjele nanga awusiza shadala qaba manga
lutho asiplananga uzenzakalele so izinto eziningi kuthina soba u2 unyaka esizalwa ngawo yawodwa inyanga esizalwa ngayo inyanga eyodwa
hluka insuku
nazo lezo insuku 2 days kuphela u22 no24
uyambona nje yena umdala
hayi mina ngithi uyena umdala so i-connection inkulu kakhulu kumina nomxoxo angiboni ukuthi makuthiwa siyaxabana ngabe sibangani ngoba umuntu nomuntu uyayi-understand i-strength sakhe.
Can you tell me the time Jewel M was born, right? Abanye abantu bangazi into bachazela ukuthi yena Jewel M, why the name Jewel M, because nami I think ngizinga pick up what able when you uchaza
i-Jewel M siqala ukuthi sizoba u2 asibanga i-Jewel M saba M&M emva kwalo M&M sahlangana nobaba uNkunzi uMasoja Msiza.
Shout out to Masoja Msiza. I know that you guys were featured kwi poem yakhe.
Yes naye wayisibona kuzalo bafethu ngiyayithanda into yini samtshela ukuthi yes njoba sikanje there's M&M, there's email box ukuthi la sihlanganiswe i-email box bathi ngiyayithanda lento yini kwakhona ingoma ayithandile vele sasikade siyenza ethi inkosi ingoma ke eyithu vele si M&M ngaleso sikhathi so wase uyafisa ukuthi singene studio sirecord sibone ukuthi kungenzakala sayenza sayishuthela music video ngiyakhumbula kwakuyi experience enhle kakhulu khona eyaphinde futhi nayo yasinikeza ugqozi ukuthi suthi Jewel M asilahlekile because wathi yena leli gama lenu i-M&M lizongiphatha nabantu somehow ngoba ngathi u-Eminem wathi zamani ukuthola something wasinikeza leyo homework ukuthi zamani ukuthola something ningaphumi kakhulu kuona so salala savuka na uJewel M.
And then Jewel M, and then you guys uzalo your moment ne kwakuyi moment yenu you guys were nivela Masoja Msiza I think it was ngangijabulela ngaleso sikhathi so when do you go la and it's we need a new management or we need a manager how did you guys find iFreak Entertainment isisigcinisi investor kunina ni convince kanjani because I'm sure at that time seninyama kubantu who want to invest in musicians because I mean uyabo
no I think from Jewel M we've been needing in management just that if uqhula kumele ukulindele ama rejections yabo some people will come bebona talent kuwena they feel ukinvesta kuwena but the truth is not everyone onaleyo backbone yokuqala into from la phansi.
Okay, from the guys abanibonile an approach, because I'm sure how do you go and say, okay, Freak Entertainment senhlangana phela nenhlobo ehlukahlukene zabantu, amaqola, abantu abaneqiniso, abantu abanemali, abanganamali, abasenza banemali. So how do you say, because ever since you guys joined them, you guys have been doing great. I don't wanna lie. And I'm going to compliment and bon you guys yabo manje kumsebenzi yasebenza, because you yabona ngiyanibona ku traditional media, ngiyanibona ku digital media. So you guys are doing like great stuff, yabo.
Yeah, then ifana nani. Freak Entertainment bekulula kakhulu kuyicase. Kufana zokenza ngizempulekile because mina ngiyakholelwa emadlozini. Uma uzoya kumuntu obonayo kanje umchazele inkinga yakho, mase siyazini ngizokunika lesi siwasho lesi, yabo ubone ukuthi sakusebenzela yini, mase umanje uzongikhokhela, yabo usebenzisa ubone sangisebenzela, mase ukhanya uhambisa imali. Same thing with umphathi wethu uMabulelanga, ufike kuthina waqale wenza umsebenzi wa-investor, wayiprova kuthina engaka-introduce ngisho indaba ye-contract
engafuna nokuthi kusayinwe. So guys, siyazi ukuthi sibaningi abantu abalambile that want to get into the industry. I hope isifundo abazosifunda la ukuthi not everyone that says they want to invest in you, they want you to sign everything, basuke benama good intentions kuphela. Umuntu aqala ikhombise umsebenzi kuqala ungaqhubeka.
Yeah, so it was easy like this because nazi bese siyaqala yabo ukuthola umuntu olula isandla sakhe
sonke, yabo niyahamba niyagqoka, unendaba ne-uniform yenu, unendaba ukuthi nibukeka kanjani, unendaba ne-photoshoot.
Just imagine i-contract siyisayine after siqeda ukushusa music video wabo.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, and then the deal yazakwe?
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi ukugcizelela nje la kulokho kushiwo umxolisi, baningi abantu ebese sike saba naleyo relationship ukuthi okay siyasebenza
and conversations. Yes,
baningi kakhulu.
Kube nini uthi niyawe ama-options?
Ama-companies amakhulu kakhulu ku-Freak Entertainment. But lento ye-brotherhood, lento yokuthi usebenze nomphathi wakho kufana nokuthi usebenza nobafo wakho, iyona esenze ukuthi sithathe isinqumo sokuthi la siyahlala. Because sike saba se Afrotainment uTira, i-experience yakhona ibimnandi kakhulu, kodwa ukuthi asifika kanjani endabeni zama-contracts ngeke ngikuphinde, ngeke ngikutshela uhlelo laNkulunkulu zonke izinto zenzeka ngohlelo laNkulunkulu. Nabanye maningi ama-companies engingawabala ukuthi uTira ukhombise ukuba matured kakhulu ukuthi ngingakwazi nokumenshina noma inini. Njengoba nje senze nengoma no
shout out to DJ Tira, shout out to you.
Njengoba senze nje nengoma nama Qobe Twins.
Oh, it was through him.
Yes.
Wow.
Ngizange ukuthi kube nzima vele njengoba sike saba khona wasihlelela session nama Qobe Twins. So emva kwaleyo nto kwawukuthi nje i-relationship yethu yabo inalonto engasazi kona, yabo because nakuyena safika sabantu nje abasha sithi sifuna ukuthola ithuba, yabo lonto leyo. So uphendula kule yazakwe, uzakwe ufike ingoma vele sesiyirecordile, thina ngokwethu asitshe
siphelile,
kwafika umphathi wakhe wazizwa zonke ingoma wathi ngicabanga ukuthi endweni zonke eningayidayisela abantu noma eningayithengisela abantu fanele banikeze ithemba, abantu balahlekelwe ithemba kuningi okwenzakalayo, yabo. So waphika le ngoma ethi bunzima ubomi balahla ithemba, nakhona wenza kwabe surprise ukuthi asitholele uzakwe, sasingazi kwakungekho nje emqondweni wethu, sasingamcabangi
because like yabo leyo ngoma, it's like you are singing to dedicate it to whoever is listening it, but it's also a dedication to you guys because mama nicule like bunzima ubomi ungalahla ithemba, ungayeka abantu bazokuhleka, right? So with you guys kube nanayeka ngaba nithola opportunity nithola uzakwe, so and then manje ayibo mntu sebe nozakwe ish yabo ngoba bayeka ngalesa sikhathi se-email box bakwazi ukuthi babekezele baqhubeke.
Kunjalo nje. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ngisho nje kube uhlelo laNkulunkulu naye uzakho ukuthi avume ukuzocollaborate nabantu abangenagama because bingakabi yabo, wasenzela nje umsebenzi walula nanamhlanje njengoba nje ade sine school tour, ubonile nawe ukuthi uvelile ukuthi uyasifundisa nathi njengama artists asakhulu ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa sesiyibona sikiphi level ungaphakami udlula abantu because abantu ibona badingayo lento esiyenza siyenzela bona abantu so mayekwazi ukukholelwa kuthini nathi ngelinye ilanga sokholelwa kwabanye nathi bakhona bayovela babe kulezi indawo basho ukuthi umdumo nomculo bayidlalile indima ikona esikufisa that's why besihambele ikole namhlanje so babeke ukuthi kuzona zonke izinto abayihlelayo nabayifisayo bakhona wonke abakufundile besifisa nje ukuthi sibe ingxenye ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
Guys, thank you so much. This conversation, I think and I would love to speak to you guys more on because I know that by the way you've released Ingoma with Uzawe Ubomi and then it's Nyembezi with the Makwabe twins. You guys can please stream it online across digital platforms. Uzothanda ukuthi nje sivalo kwamanje on Patriot Sentinel ngihleli naye Joel M bazositshela nje ukuthi amazwi abugcina and nama social media platforms esizula kanjani.
Mina ngathi amazwi okugcina uzungapheli umoya mdaka baba noma nzima wena tabalasa lethi izamazwi okugcina.
Mina nami ngingakusho ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa isiphi isimo sokubhekene naso ngaleso sikhathi wazi ukuthi temporal kuzodlula. Yes. So kuma socials siyatholakala as Joel M on Facebook, then Twitter, Instagram and TikTok @JoelM_music. Siyabonga kakhulu support yabo singayijabulela kakhulu.
Guys, baqhamuka eNanda Joel M episode 30, the final episode for the first season. I'm looking forward to shooting season 2. Thank you so much Joel M, thank you so much now Popile and Lumkile for giving me the opportunity to shoot season 1 of On Point with Sandy Nene with you guys. Shout outs.
Thank you.